lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. Today I will show you how to achieve this beautiful pink and aqua nail art with using no tools at all. You can do this nail art within 5 minutes, so if you wanna know how I did this nail art, then please continue watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. And now let's get started. I'm taking the Colorbar nail paint in the shade baby pink and I will be applying 2 coats of this nail polish. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. On my little nail I will be applying this K-Beauty nail polish in the shade Seabed. My outfit color is pink and aqua, so I am going for these colors. If you have any different outfit that you want to match your nail art, so you can choose the colors accordingly and apply it on your nails. To make the angular shape proper, I am taking this arrow shaped sticky tape as a guard on my nail. Place it on your ring finger after drying your previous nail polish. After that, apply the K-Beauty nail paint in the shade Seabed on the lower part of your nails. To get a clean and a straight pointed line, you have to pull off the sticky tape after applying the nail polish immediately. I am taking this pink glitter nail polish and applying it following the line of my nails with the nail polish wand itself. If you want to see these easy nail art designs which are popping right here on the screen, you can check the description box or the I button. I will link the videos there. I also create many eyeshadow tutorials on my channel. You can check them in the description or the I button as well. Your support would mean a lot to me. You can also share these videos with your friends and family who are interested in makeup, nail art and skincare related content. I will be applying a top coat on my nails and my nail art will be complete. Top coat will make your nails look gel-like and also make your manicure last much longer and give it an extra shine. My nail art is complete and this is the final look. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.